So young millennial bankers, how's life? How's everything going on? Those of you are working in the bank, how's everything going? Great. Working in the branches, operations part. Otherwise also, those who are planning to join the banking, these videos will help you a lot. So I'll just share it. How to open a current account? I have already created a QFID here. So let's start with that. Okay. So let me log in the system. I've already created a corporate QFID. I'll show you another video how to create a corporate QFID. So I'm logging in as a maker. Password is case sensitive. Either enter keyboard or just log in. The system appears here. FinCore system will ask you whether you want to change the solution. Okay here. So the command for that will be Hoaacca for opening of current account. I have explained all these things. Who's the user login working? So here Hoaacca, right? So open is automatically populated here. So I'm entering QFID. I had opened corporate QFID in the morning today itself. So this is the QFID I had. You can find out from search also by name. I'll show you in other videos how to do that, right? So now scheme code is very essential. Like in savings account, we have chosen SBGen. For current account, automatically scheme type has come CAA. Click on submit here. Let's say current general. Let's choose this one. Let's not choose NPL, but second one, SBGen, right? So this is there. Click on go here. So these fields, general fields. So again, more or less 70-80% is more or less same as it is in savings bank account. So you can see here, general details account opening automatically. Shama Enterprises, we are opening the current account. It was a proprietorship concern that I had opened, right? Now, this is CAGN is automatically coming here. All those fields marked with red asterisk are mandatory. Automatically look, statement has come here. In savings bank account, it was showing both passbook and statement. So we had chosen passbook there. Here automatically by default it is coming statement. I don't have to change anything here, right? Gregorian calendar, preferential calendar base. In India it is Gregorian. In Mohammedan countries it is Hijri here, right? So that is great. Fine. Again you can choose this, right? So only we charge interest here, collect interest here, right? We don't pay any interest on current account. So again, Gregorian calendar. Dispatch modes. Suppose a customer asks the statement be sent by post or email, or I'll send someone to collect it. So that depends. You can choose post, email, no dispatch, he'll come personally, courier, anything that you like as per mandate of the customer given by us. Mode of operation. Since it's a proprietorship, self. Then let's go ahead. Okay, nothing is there in this. Let's see where is the interest. Interest part is not here. I think that is all. I'll validate just to check whether I have left any field unfilled. So I think I have entered every field, right, required. Now interest detail, again important. So we pay interest? No, we don't pay any interest on current account. There may be a variant. Collect interest? Yes. Sorry. Yes. Sorry. Interest debit account. Original here. Sorry. Let me gulp water. I think that will become better. Account pack. No, don't change any field which comes automatically. Interest rate code, since it is not there in case of debit balance. Sorry, shows here. So, okay. So we don't pay any interest here, right? This field is not there. Calculation debit. In case current account goes in debit. So since the date of this training server is 25th, so automatically it is showing 18, right? That's great. So it was showing as 18 here. Let me just check here. So we are opening the account in the month of, let's say, okay. So it will be July automatically, since the date of this server last day end was 27th July 2018. So automatically this calendar was showing me July 18 only. We don't pay any interest here. This will remain blank here. Sorry for the brief. I'm really extremely sorry, since I was in the process of making video. I'm extremely sorry. Any discomfort to any one of you. I'll just validate and see any field is remaining. Okay, now scheme code again. So in case of proprietorship, a person can nominate, but not in other entity accounts, partnership, private limited, public limited. There is no clause for nomination there. But if the account is of proprietorship, he can nominate. So we can make this radio tab as, click this as yes. Otherwise, let us remain it as no only, since I have shown you in a savings bank account only. Don't have to change anything here. Interest method, don't go into any other fields. It is all by default done by the system. So nomination field, since it is no, we don't require it. So it says availing nomination facilities not yes. So since I clicked on this, it says scheme code mein it is no. So I just give me a warning, or just give me an okay, if you want to nominate, you have to make this yes here. Otherwise, so I'm avoiding it. As I told you, related party details is very important. We have to visit. So while I will be opening public limited, private limited, partnership accounts, we'll be adding from here. Like one KIF ID, second KIF ID, third KIF ID right here. And we'll be showing the MIS codes again is very important here, right? So which category does this current account belongs to? Because banks requires lot of information. So if it is a priority sector, non-priority sector, you can choose either of this. So let's choose priority sector. I don't think anything else is required here. In case of we'll be opening other accounts, then it will be required. I'll just validate, because none of the field is showing as red asterisk mark. So I don't think, and payment system, I think it was not required. FFD documents not required. Account limits not required here. So I'll just click on validate, submit. Let's see if any field is remaining. So this account has been opened with this KIF ID. I'll just copy it here so that I can show you, and I'll note it down also. I can show you while for verifying in my next video. It's a very nice account, very zeros are there. That's great. 61 61 1 2 how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So let's say 8 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and last is 3 here. This was for this current account, right? Okay, now I'll show you after how to verify this. So I think it was very simple. So again, I'm repeating, command is HOAACCA, right? Please don't forget this. It's very important. So this I have, as a maker, I have opened the account. Khar is the branch, right? I'll click on OK and come back to the screen. So I think steps, and more the videos, more times you watch it, I think it will become simpler. And while we're doing it practically in the branches, I think it will become very, and knowledge is always welcome, right? Even if you're part of the sales, you must know how does it work. You never know, right? So banking is evolving, always changing, right? So it's always good to have a knowledge. So I hope you learned something of opening of current account. It's very simple. I'll be opening account for partnership also, LLP, private limited, public limited. I'll be uploading various videos on YouTube, on my website also. You can visit them and just learn them, right? Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye. Take care.